Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a first move outside turn. As you can see today, we aren't at the garden stage. Unfortunately, we couldn't be there today. So at least we're not having to work with the sun in our eyes and a massive amount of wind. But it'll all be fine. A little bit more cramped for space, but we'll see how it goes. The move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So let's break that down. Obviously you'll need to know a first move already. There'll be a link in the description below in case you haven't done that before. So it starts just like a first move. We go back, we come in. Now when we twist the ladies out, the guys do something different to normal. So the ladies get twisted out, but the guys step across in front of the lady, turning to their right, and you're trying to get to the far side of the lady. So I'm going to get my back to you in a second. So I step across, and I'm going to bring my right leg out of the way as well, and I'm going to bring the lady towards me on the next count. So it feels very much like she's back in a first move position. I turn right, take the hand forwards with the left as I turn right, which sends the lady into a turn as she goes past me. As she heads out, I head over to my left, because the energy of her going through and past me means she wants a travelling return instead of a normal return. So let's do that to some numbers. So we go back on 1, inside by side 2, twist the lady out and cut across 3, bring the lady back into you 4, turning 5, out of the way 6, travelling return 7 and back 8. Let's try it together. Here we go. 5, a 6, a first move outside turn, it's back, in, cutting across to the shoulder, turn, out of the way, travelling return and back. And that is it for the first move outside turn. Hope you've enjoyed yourselves. We'll be back next time with another Intermediate Modern Jive Clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. Helps us grow the channel, so that's much appreciated. And it means if you hit the bell, you'll know every time a new video comes out. We'll pop a music recommendation on the end. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.